Well, now the King's coronation is done and dusted. All the flags and bunting are down. And what better to do with a flag than use it as a dust cover? I wish I had two of them. So today's hot potato anyway is the Triumph really, is my Triumph in particular, Taiwanese assembled Triumph, is it really a British bike?
So what do you think? I mean, the purists are going to say, oh no, it might have Triumph written on the tank, but it was nailed together in Taiwan. The woke are going to say, well, at least it gives our little industrious Asian friends a chance to be all included in everything. And the tree huggers are going to say, well, it stops them having to be shipped all over the world. They're a lot nearer to their markets, which is absolutely bollocks, to be honest with you, because I'm riding one and I live on the western edge of Europe. But me, well, Triumph is a British company. It's registered in the UK. The bike may well not have been nailed together in the UK, but the fact that Triumph is a British company is good enough for me, and that's not really the reason that I bought the thing in the first place anyway. To me, it was the best looking retro naked bike. I mean, the Ducati Scrambler's a damn good looking bike, but I don't remember Ducati having Scramblers in the 60s. I mean, I'll bet they did, but I don't remember them. They didn't make the news because people like McQueen and the rest weren't riding them. So it was the look of the thing, and moreover the potential look of the thing, what I could do with it, that attracted me. And then my other bike was actually assembled in the UK, the CCM. But the only thing that's British on that is the frame. Japanese engine, Italian bodywork like tank and side panels and the like. Where the hell does the suspension come from? WP, is that Dutch or Austrian? It's not British anyway. So yeah, sod where it comes from. That's another example actually. I mean, there's a huge big Nissan car factory in the northeast of England. But to me, that doesn't make them British cars. They're still Japanese cars, they're just assembled in the UK. Same goes for Toyota. They've got a huge factory in just near Derby. Still Japanese cars, just assembled in the UK. I don't know. I don't really care, to be honest. Whatever floats your boat. Now this is the little, I don't know whether it's a village or a small town, but this is the place, Shawbury, and there's the sign. I'm going the other way, towards RAF Shawbury. That's where the UK train all their military helicopter pilots, including Prince William, the Prince of Wales, and that turncoat Harry. The Prince of Netflix. No, he's the Duke of Netflix, isn't he? Anyway, they were trained about a mile behind me. Well, of course they were up in the air because they were flying helicopters, but you know what I mean, the base is about a mile behind me. Feels like British summertime's hit today. It's a Saturday. It's the only weekend that isn't a bank holiday in May. And it's lovely weather. The downside to all of that, of course, is all these people who tow their caravans around with them, they're thinking the same. Still, I don't care, it's not a race, it's a day to relax and take it easy. And it's such a nice day, I might just pop down here because too far down here is a certain pub you see me going to lots and lots of times. So I think I might pop in there and have a quick shandy to cool off. We got rid of all the salt that was on the roads, but now we're getting into the height of farming season, so we basically have swapped the salt for all the shit all over the roads that the farmers are dragging off the fields, bless them. But we got to eat, so they can be forgiven, they will be forgiven, they are forgiven. Keep up the good work, fellas. Well, I'd pop in here and have a shandy.